What's going on YouTube, baby, man? It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Getting ready to bring y'all another video, man. As y'all can see, I got a box next to me. You heard me? So, ordered a package. Finally came in, you know. So we finna go on. Just out here dropping stuff. So we finna go and get this install in real quick, man. As y'all see, so we ain't gonna make the install on the inside. But since I'm already in here, man, make sure you like this video, comment this video. If you're new to the thing, go on and drop down the comments, say what's up. Hit that like button as well, because it's finna be a banger. So let's transition the outside, shall we? Well, we made it to the top, yeah. Now we here, man, outside, the beautiful. Hopefully it don't rain on me while I'm finna do this mod real quick, man. But let me flip this camera so y'all can see. Ghost, excuse my wheels. Excuse my wheels. I ain't been in this car and I ain't washed in a minute, so excuse my wheels. Y'all first time seeing Ghost. This is Ghost. Excuse my wheels, like I just said. Excuse my wheels. Make sure y'all get this YouTube channel a follow, man. Heard this dude is pretty dope. But yeah, we finna go on and get this thing on there, man. Go on and get this mod, reveal it for you guys. Here it is right here. I got my little dude sitting in the car, so that's when y'all hear the car running. But y'all see what it is, man. Boy got that rear diffuser on deck. Finna install this thing real quick. Hopefully real quick. Hopefully. I might have to cut this car off because I don't want to hear all of this. Oh, let me get this paper. I ain't trying to litter. You know how the media is towards us people. Little baby Scat Pack, you got something to say to the channel? You got something to say? You ain't got nothing to say? Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm gonna let this window down so I can hear you in case you say something to me. You can be all right there? It's too cold for you to sit out here, bro. All right, so let me set this thing up so y'all can see this joint, me installing it.
A few moments later.
Too, man, it is really cold out here, so I'm really trying to speed up this install, so that's why I had to cut the camera off real quick, but I'm back. Look, the hardest part about getting these things off is these corners right here, bro. I didn't know how to get it off, so I really messed mine up. And once you get that part off, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that you got to take off. Pull this rigid off, then you just grab the end of it and you got to pop all these out. Now what I don't like is I got to drill holes in these. That's what I don't like. Like how they sell something that don't got holes in it already. Like that don't make no sense. Like they got like this piece lines up with that right there. And then that's it. I'm out of breath because it's cold and I'm pulling on this thing and I finally got it open. But this is what it looks like. If you ain't know what the exhaust look like on these things, that's not it. Ugh. I don't know what this is. It's like a little dust cover or whatever. But yeah, that's what it mounts up to. We're finna try to see if I can get that on and rolling. Yeah. Alright, too, man, that's pretty much how you install. You just bumping on there. Now they got the little 4 screws at the bottom, so I'm gonna go on and tighten that up as well, man. But this is the finishing product of it. Right there, just bumping on there, and it looks good to me. Alright, too, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit look at it, a little bit more. Pretty much what I did, like I told y'all. There's ribbons that go right there, so I'm gonna have to make a hole for right there. Actually, let me see. Yeah. I might put a screw right there, low key. And this is what it looks like. Let me back up a little bit. You know, I ain't got that iPhone 12 where I can back up and then, yeah. But y'all see what's going on, man. Yeah, so we finna go on and get this installed. We finna drill some holes in on each one of these joints to go and get it started.
Later.
Like I said, man, I'm gonna use my drill. I ain't have a whatchamacallit, but luckily this joint fit in there like that, so I'm gonna use this. If I couldn't, since I ain't got no drill bit, I'm gonna poke a hole with this. Alright, too, man, that is it. That is a wrap for this video. I got all of them on there. Got all of them done, man. Again, let y'all see this finished project, bro. This is what it looks like, man. That side view. Yeah. We in there. So yeah, man, like I said, go on and hit up your boy if you need help putting this thing on there. This is how you do it. Nice little how-to. Took me only 15 minutes to do it. Had to take took a lunch break in between just because your boy was hungry, man. But that's it. If you're new to the channel, man, if you're new to the channel, yes, I'm Hellcat Slick. This is Goes. Make sure you support the channel by hitting that subscribe button, please. Make sure you hit that like button if this is good knowledge for you. Also, if it's already think somebody else needs this video, please, please, please hit that share button. Once you hit that share button, man, drop down in the comments. Tell your boy Hellcat Slick what's happening, you know? So your boy is out of here, man. Like I said, God is good in my hood. Stay blessed.